welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ceaira Michelle, and I am here with another video on my hair. Okay, if you don't know, during the pandemic I opened up my own company, Perfectly Brown Collections. We sell lashes, darling. Yes, look at them. Okay, these are lashes. These are in the style Cinderella. Okay, yes, honey. Okay, I wasn't even trying to do my makeup, honey, real quick, but I started playing and dibbling and dabbling. And, honey, if you want to see this look, I'm just ready to show it to you. Okay, so these are the lashes in the style Cinderella. They're super cute. Anyways, so that is on the website, so go check out the website, Perfectly Brown Collections, and the link will be in the description box below. We also have lip gloss. The lip gloss that I'm wearing currently is one of our new shades. This is Cocoa, and Cocoa just makes me Cocoa. Okay, it smells great. It just gives me a great shine. It's like butter on my lips, okay? I'm just plugging everything, okay? I'm plugging everything. Anyways, let's get right into this video. Hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you will be notified every time I post a new video, okay? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and let's get into the video. So, you guys, when you purchase your hair from Perfectly Brown Collections, this is the box you will be getting your hair in. Now, we have Indian hair in the textures body wave. We have wavy, curly, and we also have straight. Okay, right now we only have short bundles at the moment, but we are getting our longer bundles. Okay, I'm gonna do a bob hairstyle, but I wanted to show you guys exactly what you get in. Okay, so it comes in a box and it's in a tissue paper. Okay, and each bundle is inside. So I'm gonna take out each bundle and just show it to you guys, because you guys, I love, it's just so cute. Okay, so I'm not going in a specific order. So this is the hair cards, and if you haven't seen me make these, because I made these, if you want a video on that, on how I made I can definitely do that. Leave a comment in the description box below. I also made the why am I blinking right now? You guys, I also made the bundle wrap, and this is the 12-inch. This is in the texture wavy, and it is natural black, and it's 12 inches. Okay, super cute, you guys. It feels so good on, like, I just want you to, can you see the luster? The luster, okay? The luster. Okay, I just need you to get it. Look at the luster. You guys, and the ends look so good. So this is what I usually look at for when I'm looking for my hair, you guys. This is the bundle, like I said, 12 inches. I'm going for a bob, like a long bob, because I have a round face, okay? So I want like a long bob, especially since it's a wavy, you guys. And I'm thinking about dyeing this hair. Did you see that disrespectful gnat? Leave your comments down below as to what color should I dye my hair. I want to dye it a cute color, but I don't know what color. I'm thinking about red. Okay, I've never done red, and I've never really done colored hair either, besides like blonde ombre, but not a full color. You guys, leave it in a comment below. What do you think I should color my hair? Should I do it red, blonde, like purple? Like, leave your comments in the description below because I really want to know. I need your help, okay? And if you see some things on Instagram, tag me at Ceaira Michelle and follow me while you're doing that. Just follow me at Ceaira Michelle on Instagram as well, okay? But for real, let me know in the comments below because I want to dye my hair, but I don't know what color to do, okay? So this is a 12-inch. Now let's keep going because then I want to show you guys all the bundles because these is what I'm about to put in my hair. So this is the 10-inch natural black. And I'm showing it to you guys because I want you guys to see it now. The 10-inch, y'all, it is thick, okay? This is in wavy. It is super thick. Like, I want to get close with you so you can see the luster of the hair. You can see there is no fillers. No, it's not dyed. It's natural black. You can see how the wefts are. It is double wefted. So you can see the wefts. I was going to take this off, you guys, so you can really see the hair. Look how thick and gorgeous it is. Like, you guys, I just want to keep running my hand through it. It is thick. The ends are gorgeous. And it is 100% Indian hair, you guys. So, like, with Indian hair, with you running your hand through it, you can see the shine because it actually gets the oils from your hand when you're rubbing it, when you're like running your hands through it. So when you get your hair, make sure to wash it because after you run your hands through it so many times, the oil from your hand gets onto the hair, and you will see when you wash it, it's gonna give you a really nice wave pattern, you guys. So yes, that is a 10-inch. It is. I can't wait to put these bundles in my hair, you guys. I'm so excited to get my hair done because I need to get my hair done. I got these braids and I'm ready for them to be done. Okay, so this is the 14-inch. Everything comes packaged in little baggies. This is the 14-inch. I keep running my hands through it because I'm trying to see if I'm getting anything. And I haven't been getting anything. Yeah. Oops, I got one right there. You can't see it. Okay, so I got one. You guys, this hair just looks so good. I just want to keep rubbing my hands through it until it gets in my head because, you guys, when I get my hair done, my hands are always in my hair, especially when you get some good hair that actually feels amazing, okay? Look at the wefts. Like, it is so cute. That's all I can say. Like, it is so cute because it is. I'm so infatuated. Yes, I know it's mine. I know, but if you don't love your own products, sis, then I don't know what to say. I love my hair. And yes, you guys, I'm very picky when it comes to hair, okay? I'm super picky. Like, when I purchase hair from other people, I'm super picky. So like when I decided that I was gonna get and start selling hair, I needed to make sure it was some really good hair. Like, you were gonna get your money's worth, okay? This is the frontal. Y'all, I wanna get a frontal. Okay, pause. Let me just So like I was saying, you know, I wanted to make sure I was bringing quality, okay? Quality. So when you made sure that you bought from Perfectly Brown Collections, you were going to get good quality hair, and you knew it every single time, period, okay? Now, let's get into this frontal because I am so excited, you guys. I told you I'm about to get my hair slayed. Usually I do my hair, but I'm about to get my hair slayed because I just want somebody to lay my frontal down and make me into a new person. Cause I'm ready. So this is the frontal. It is a 10-inch frontal, natural black, wavy. And I gotta take it out, y'all. 'Cause listen, I don't even want to run my hands through the frontal. Look at the wave, okay? Let's just get in it. This is a 13 by 6 frontal. Okay, so this is the frontal, you guys. You will need to tint it. So it isn't bleach. You would need to tint it. So you guys, it is pre-plucked. Okay, and the last time I bought my frontal, for the first time I was getting a frontal, they said it was pre-plucked, but it really wasn't. And I tried to play with it, and look, you guys, this is pre-plucked. Okay, there you go. Now you can see it's pre-plucked. Look at it. So I will need to tint this lace, because honey, no. I will need to tint the lace. That's my little brother, of course. So it's a 13 by 6 10-inch, and I'm so excited to put it in, you guys. Oh my goodness, are you gonna be ready to come along with me? You guys want to do you want me to film me getting my hair done? I think you do. I think you do, because I'm gonna do it. Like, I'm just gonna film me getting my hair done because yeah, I just feel like that's the right thing to do. So this is all 3 bundles. This is the 10-inch. You guys, I took it out of that little bundle wrap, and you can see how thick it is, okay? This is the 12-inch. This is the 14-inch. You can see this natural black. And then this is the closure. This is a lot of hair. I don't know. This is going to be a thick install, because this is a lot of hair. Like, look at the bundles. They're super thick, you guys. They're super thick. So this is actually a lot of hair. So, and I'm excited because I love thick hair. I love big hair. So the thicker the better. And the closure, it's gonna be so bomb. I can't wait for you guys to see. Thanks, Jordy. I can't wait for you guys to see the hair and when I do install it, okay? You guys, all these bundles are so thick, okay? It is thick. And I am so excited. The hair ties are coming off. And look how thick it is. Look how thick it is from me taking off that bundle wrap, y'all. This 10-inch is thick, honey. The 12-inch and the 14-inch, you know, it's a little bit longer, so it's not as thick and full as the 10 inches, okay? And the 10-inch frontal, okay, it is at a 150 density, okay? And the bundles, you guys, this is a lot of hair. This is so much hair. The thicker the better, though, because I can't wait to do this bob. I can't wait for you guys to come along with me to see me get this install. And we're going to get in this video. And then we'll see that in the next video, guys. Because the next video with this hair will be me getting my hair done, okay? So go check us out. We'll be in the description box below, Perfectly Barren Collections, okay? And I hope you enjoy. I can't wait for you guys to see me put this hair in. So let's get it popping, you guys. I'm excited. Don't forget to like this video. Leave your comments below as to what color I should dye the hair, okay? Leave your comments, because I really need your help. And go on over to my Instagram at Ceaira Michelle. It is right here. And let me know what you think. If you see some colors, if you see some hair, some styles, please tag your girl in it, because I am so interested to see what you guys have in store for me. Okay, what do you think will go well with me? Because I've never done colors like that. Seriously, seriously. I mean, I think I did colors and braids, but not like a frontal, like the whole shebang. Okay. Whew. Ignore my nails, you guys. I need to go and I need to do my nails. So ignore them. They are chipped and I've been picking at them. But anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and hit that post notification bell so you will be notified every time I post another video. Okay, I will see you in the next videos. Peace, love, and blessings. Bye.